What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel. I'm Tony. I'm a husband and father of two, and I'm just a regular guy with a YouTube channel talking about my experience with credit and stock investing. And on this channel, I break down credit repair and beginner-friendly stock investing because financial literacy changed my life, and it can change yours too. I'll show you how I personally got my credit score over 800 and got to the point where I could personally invest in stocks and generate dividend income. So let's get into it. Most people think credit repair is just about deleting negative accounts. I used to think that too, especially when my credit score was below 600. But there's one overlooked mistake that not only keeps your score stuck, it also quietly blocks you from investing and building real wealth. When my credit was low, I attacked it emotionally. I saw collections and late payments and just wanted them gone immediately. But here's what I learned the hard way. Credit bureaus don't operate on emotion. They operate on data. The most overlooked part of your credit report is your personal information. And when that information is inaccurate or outdated, it creates problems that no dispute letter alone can fix. Old addresses, multiple name variations, outdated employers, these details are how negative accounts stay connected to you. If your foundation is messy, disputes become harder, investigations become automated, and progress slows way down. That's why so many people say, I've tried everything and nothing works. I was there. When your credit is weak or inaccurate, you pay more for everything: higher interest rates, higher monthly payments, higher insurance costs, and that extra money you're paying every month, that's money I wish I had invested earlier. Bad credit doesn't just hurt your score, it steals your investing power. Once I started cleaning up my credit foundation the right way, everything changed. That's when I was able to focus on stock investing even as a beginner. Today I invest in stocks and ETFs, and investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about putting your money to work instead of letting it sit. When you invest, you're owning pieces of real companies that grow over time. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. I didn't. Small, consistent investments add up. The key is starting early and staying consistent. Here's how it all connects. Better credit lowers your costs. Lower costs free up cash. That cash gets invested, and those investments grow over time. Credit creates breathing room. Stock investing builds wealth, and you need both. That's why I always say credit repair isn't the finish line, it's the starting point. You don't need perfect credit to invest, and you don't need to delay credit repair to start investing, but you do need the right strategy. If you want better credit, more cash flow, and a real path to investing, it starts with the foundation. Subscribe to my channel for more of my stock and credit ideas for beginners.